Did you know writable walls can increase peer-to-peer classroom interaction by up to 45%? Writable walls create a shared space where everyone contributes freely, fostering group learning and democratic participation. The impermanence of whiteboard surfaces encourages risk-taking, critical thinking, and trial-and-error learning. Standing and moving while writing boosts energy, stimulates the brain, and inspires more creative thinking. Teachers can easily scan wall work, spot errors, and give real-time feedback without interrupting the flow. Everyone gets equal access to write and participate. No one dominates the page or the process. The public nature of the wall fosters accountability, clarity in reasoning, and stronger group dynamics. The focus shifts from solo success to team understanding, a core value in building a thinking classroom. Writable walls support math collaboration, letting students share strategies and deepen problem-solving skills together. Want to boost collaboration in your classroom the smart way? Call us at 800-930-62159 to speak with a friendly coding specialist, or visit www.remarkablecoding.com to get started today.